So I was sent this headlight in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. And it looks nice and compact. I've used several of these kinds of things in the past, but let's open it up and see what we got. Here's everything you get out of the box. Of course, you have the instructions. It says it takes 3 to 4 hours to charge, and you can use it for 3 to 6 hours. And it says you can even turn it on and off by waving your hand, so eager to try that out. USB cable for charging, this headband for putting it on your head, and of course the headlamp itself. It's a little bit bigger than I thought it would be, but that just means it'll provide more power, I think. On the top you can see a power button, and also a mode switching button. Here it is on. Of course we have low and high, and if you push this other button here, that'll turn on the mode where you can turn it on and off by waving. Looks like that would be super useful. Has a strobe effect, has side lights, and then off. By turning this knob right here, you're actually able to adjust the zoom on it. So it can go from like a boxy look to a more spread out area of light. And you can also adjust the angle, whether it's pointing straight ahead or more downward, by just pulling this out right here. All right, I am outside in a pretty dark area. This is what it looks like on my head. So we're gonna test this out and see how it looks. All right, like I said, it's pretty dark out here, but I'm gonna turn on this headlamp. So, pretty bright spotlight, as you can tell. We can adjust the zoom on it. Yeah, it really lights things up pretty nicely. And of course it has different modes. This is the brighter mode. Really does a good job of making everything brighter out here. Alright, I'm going to put it on the mode where we can just wave in front of it and turn it on and off. Alright, let's try this out. Works just as intended. Yep, just wave in front of it. Once again, you can change the zoom on it. So you can have just a spotlight if you want to. I'll go out to my yard here where it's even darker. Man, really brightens things up. I think it's a great headlamp, better than most that I've used in the past. I really like that waving to turn on and off feature. I like the zoom on it, provides plenty of light. I like it.
There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.